God's
eba MBTV social media trending midine nanama adepa ndeda ena oyangasa yenini ya funny face amofuma nyina won nyanko wonani gine wonye pa court woman 20,000 bela oye nansen ne car na odukobo emofo bia no oma wonye no koto sel nti we no ena ndeda wo beli ni na yangasa yenini ya Kofi onu twetwe nkomo na okogina epo na so order na miase na waso bonfeche elde nyakopon ansamfo no bone nchen wa ade bia waye bia o se nyakopon no onim bibia na onhunu mobor na favor na odoso no do na manfo kana asem no so no onsamfo dem favor no onfa.
I have to come to God and explain myself to him for him to give me that favor that he granted me years ago, that he granted me the love of children, the favor that he has given me.
From ashasna betu sisembe na onye agro kra ababon onye easy wa afibu mankasa wa mesisi akra mpodo wa bafom kra na onjidide onkechi bibia basa na ye biem na ostrede nankasa obobono mboden na sisi ana abrabo na osan orebehye na asfoforo no obafa na wa hwe ni ye se na obeya se na osi dadaw no wanse na nsi biem osan da sisi ana no for 2 years no nyema bebre na waye oye Ghpage wasansa ase nyema bebre ne nyankofosam wa de binimo bon chede onya asam kotokra so osro wonde wor ba chen na wasan we sunu biom na wa man second chance onu bibia wontem akoye.
The favor of Ghanaians loving me through my mistakes and everything, just as I am. You should give me a second chance, because
Ori no so na odutu jade osre amanfo de wonbon na omafoma na wodo hospital no wona kaw no akaw na waba wonbon no ontua no nse njina na no bi na oye companies na ada na onye won yedwuma no nso no wonbon.
I'll plead with the companies again. Sebi nyame adom manda yarempem membubu enguwo. I'm still strong. I can work again. The corporate companies, they can still give me a chance. MTN, Telecel, a friend is saying Tigo, Airtel, anybody, I can do it again. I've done it before and I'll do it again. I believe in myself. I can do it again. Trust me. They shouldn't give up on me. Companies should give me a chance. They should work with me one more time. I still have the numbers. On Facebook, I have 1.7 million followers. On Instagram, I have 2.1 million followers. On Twitter, I have 1.2 million followers. On TikTok is close to 200,000 followers. I'm starting chair, but I'll make them proud. I'll do it again. I just need the support one more time. I'll make you proud again. Trust me. I'm begging Ghanaians to give me one more chance. They shouldn't let me go down. I'll make them proud, just like I did with the stand-up comedy. Nobody thought. People thought I'm back again. I came back, did it better, bigger than I did 2010, August 28, 2010 at the National Theatre.
Entino, Esha, na chede na wa yare wosam ye pa. Wose bemensu nsu na osha abobo moso wa fam no pempendo ne bedur. Emunsem na chede na wa yesu na oyare wonsu. Tin na ebe so de Ghana fu na wo bona. Bibia akoye na na adesrede no so no ebonu mobo na ya agina atu na nyina ya atena ewo enije mu mesro de be subscribe ebe like ebe comment na share yam na na ma de penny me de wonase.